So everybody, this is our beautiful sprinkle lab. And we're gonna put decorations on it. If you wanna see how I do it, watch my video. Bye. Later, alligator. I'm the greatest cooker of the world. I'm the greatest cooker of the world. I'm very good. I'm very good. Everyone in town knows that I'm doing it. So I'm doing it. So I'm doing it. Hello, everybody. My name is Naraya, but do you like my new hair? First we have to wash our hands, then we can do the video. We're gonna make spring rolls, and we're gonna go 4 cups of flour. I know what vines. This. 1. 2. 3. 1, 2, 3. And 4. Add a salt. Okay. 1 cup. We have to do 1 cup of water and put it in the machine. Then we can roll it, and then we can make it. Okay. Now that's done. We have to put on 2, then we'll mix. 2, another cup of water. Today the dough is finished, so we're gonna make it now, and so we're gonna put some oil. And remember, you have to do this all together as a team, so you can all do it, because it's going to be so yummy and you can eat it. Okay, you like this?
Here you go.
That feels so soft. That's how you do it. Put more flour in it. Everyone, this is how you do it. You just roll it like me and Mama's doing, and when it's finished, you can eat it, but first you have to decorate it. Now is this one? Wait. All the way to the bottom. First we have to roll it. So get one at a time and roll it. So everyone, you have to roll it and get your stuff and put it in here and put some flour on it. So that's how you do it. Then put it on another piece, and then you put some more. So roll it. Mom, I'm done rolling mine.
Roll it a little bit.
Okay, because I'm doing good.
You're doing a wonderful job.
What a little bit looks like.
Okay, put oil, yes.
Now I can put oil on it. Don't. Then
Brush it all over it.
push it all over it. Did I put more oil or just share the oil? Yes or no?
Put a lot of oil.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Like, that's how it made. That's how it looks like. Okay.
Good.
This one. Now I'll put flour on it. Okay, look, Mom, I'm done. Got. So it can stick.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. A lot of flour.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, a a lot of flour coming in. Okay. Now let's put. Oh, then put it on. Now put. Oh, so now you put it on. Okay, everyone. So do what I'm doing, and you will know how to do it because it's very fun. But let your baby brothers to sleep because they might disturb you. So let them go to sleep, like my baby brother sleep, and then you can do it. So this is how you do it. Okay, let me put some little bit flour. Put flour on top. Na 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 na. Na na na. I'm the biggest couple of the world. I'm very good. I'm very good. Everyone in town knows that I'm doing it. So I'm doing it. So I'm doing it. Everyone is doing very good. I'm doing it. We're gonna roll all this back together. We're gonna do this one later, and this one later, and this one right now. So let's roll it. Like this. Roll it.
And then keep rolling.
There. It's on the paper. So you're gonna roll it. We go put flour. Little bit flour, cooking on the cooker. So let's go.